Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 15th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics here. We're going to be talking about Invest 98L, which is located about right in this location here. We're going to be watching a system off that's located right across South Florida that will continue to move on off to the northeast. We'll have to continue to monitor that, see if any signs of development there as well. Here we ain't got to worry about that. That's just a system there that's bringing some gusty winds, some showers and storms. It continues to push on off to the northeast. And you just got more scattered showers and storms across the remainder of the tropics. A little bit across South America and also across Central America, and a little scattered activity over in the Pacific Northwest. We'll get to that in the radar view toward the end of this video. Alright, if you're a new viewer and you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing one more time. And let's go ahead and finish this forecast on up. Alright, let's move on to the loop of Invest 98L. This is 98L located in the Caribbean Sea. As you can see here is the Yucatan Peninsula over here on the left side of the screen. The system is located not too far from South America, moving kind of just over Central Caribbean Sea. So we'll continue to monitor that. A lot of the model guidance is taking the system into a tropical storm, so we'll have to continue to monitor that and see if it do become tropical storm events. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast models. We do not have the hurricane models yet, but we're going to take a look at the GEFS ensembles and then the intensity guidance as well. Alright. Storm. A lot of the model just kind of meanders down in the Caribbean Sea, then eventually moves it off across Jamaica and then eastern Cuba. Here's the Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Here's Puerto Rico. This area here may get impacted. South Florida is already getting impacted by that little tropical feature down across South Florida. Miami area got almost 6 inches of rain this afternoon out of that system, so it's pretty well dumping a lot of rain over Central and South Florida. But here's a separate system here. This is going to bring life-threatening mudslides, gusty winds, and also lots of rainfall across eastern Cuba, Jamaica, also the Haiti and the Dominican Republic, maybe even far east as Puerto Rico might get a little bit of action of this system. So all of you guys in this area here needs to pay close attention to these local forecasts and take warning if something happens to pop up. Alright, let's move on to the intensity guidance of this system. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have the hurricane model will be in. So right now we have about 30 knot winds, equal up to about 35 miles per hour. Should be almost a tropical depression, but a center of circulation. All the models takes it into a tropical storm. Some even takes it into a low end grade hurricane. I do think this will become tropical storm events this time, so we'll continue to monitor that and see what happens. So if you happen to see tropical depression 21 form in the next maybe the next 12 hours or something like that, or less than that, we may see tropical depression number 21 and then in the tropical storm event. So we'll continue to monitor this and see what happens. Hurricane Center forecast page here. As you can see, here's that system that I was just talking about in the Central Caribbean Sea. Alrighty. You can see here it has about a 40% chance of development, and also it has a 50% chance of development over the next 7 days. Alright, this system here over the southern portions of Florida. This system has about a 10% over the next 48 hours and also over the next 7 days. and it's expected to bring heavy rainfall to the Bahamas, South Florida, and also Central Florida as well. Just what I discussed in the earlier video. All right, let's move on to the watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, as you can see here, we got a lot of small craft advisories up here from Maine all the way down to Port of New York City. We have gale warnings also in effect out about 100 nautical to 250 nautical miles offshore, off the mid-Atlantic and southeast coast. Still got those small craft and gale warnings from South Carolina to the Florida Keys, back to portions of southern Louisiana. We got a hydro issue, flood watches, wind advisories for areas of central and eastern and southeastern Florida. We got some some flood warnings in effect for South Louisiana, also across southern Alabama. Also, we got some special weather statements for eastern Kentucky. Also, we have some gale warnings up here just west of Michigan, northern Michigan as well. We got wind advisories over reporting of Montana, Iowa, also into South Dakota, North Dakota, and Montana. We have dense fog advisories over eastern, southeastern New Mexico, western Texas. High wind warning is also in effect reported in Wyoming. Wyoming. And also winter weather advisories in the southern portion of Wyoming, northern portion of Montana, and central portion of Idaho as well. Some air quality alerts also in effect for you guys in Idaho as well, and some special weather statements for portion for Wyoming once again. Gale warning, small craft advisory from a portion of Oregon all the way down to Southern California. We have small craft advisory around the island here of the Hawaiian Chain Island, and also some storm warnings and gale warnings right along coastal areas of the Hawaiian Chain Island. All right, we still got those freeze and spray it warnings in effect to the north of Alaska. Winter storm warnings for central. Also have high wind warnings there. Winter weather advisories also for central Alaska. We have some coastal flooded warnings in effect, or flood warnings in effect for South Alaska. Storm warnings around the coastal areas, and also some gale warnings there as well. All right, and finally, we're going to take a look at the National Weather Service radar. As you can see here, we got some showers over portions of South Carolina, Georgia. More steadier rain over from Alabama through southern, central and southern Georgia, over to southern South Carolina, toward Jacksonville, Florida, back toward the Panhandle of Florida, Gulf of Mexico. Also central and eastern Florida, just east of Tampa, getting some showers all the way down toward Miami. Also down toward Havana, Cuba, getting some showers and storms there, and also over into the Bahamas. All right, as we continue to move, we're going to go westbound over to the over toward California and Las Vegas area. We're getting some shower activity around Sacramento, San Francisco, Fresno, Los Angeles, San Diego, the northern Gulf of Mexico, northern portions of the Gulf of California, also through portions of western Arizona, also toward Las Vegas, Nevada. All right, as we continue to move north, as you can see, we got some showers over in portions of Oregon, northeast Oregon, also in the east southeastern portions of Washington State, through Montana, northern Idaho as well, over towards southern Canada. Some shower activity there, and take a trip over to the northeastern United States, a little bit up here just northeast of Quebec, a little bit in northwestern New Brunswick. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get these numbers climbing, folks. Trying to get on up there to 600 subscribers, and also my watch hours need to continue to go higher. So continue to watch these videos, and let's get these numbers climbing as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the weather, because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing one more time. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.